create this family tree, I will use the app 6groups. 6groups allows me to share this tree with you, and you can see it by following the link in the description. Okay, so when you log into the app, you can get it on Google Play, iOS, and you can launch it as web app on Google, and I'm just going to do that. What you can do when you log in is click on the 3 lines on user settings, and then you can set the theme to be dark or light. And light looks really cool, but I just personally prefer dark. That's why I will do this on dark. Okay, so when you're on this screen, you would press create and family tree for what I'm doing. You can press other things, but I'm going to be doing a family tree. So in this family tree, I will be making Abraham's genealogy. So basically his whole family tree. Okay, and now you need to name the group. So I'm just gonna name it Abraham Genealogy. After you name the group, you need to make a password. An admin password is a password for admins to log in so that they can make changes to the tree. And a user password is a password for users to join, to spectate the tree. Then you're going to click the tick over here, or you can change some things here, but I'm just going to click this. Okay, so once you created the group, you're going to see 2 options, bubbles and hierarchy. And these are the 2 formats that you can make your tree in. There is some other options, but first you'd start off on the chart. So bubbles is a format where circles are connected with lines, and they're basically like a spider web connected all over the page. And hierarchy is a rectangle or squares going down from the most important or the first person of the tree. Okay, so to change the first person here in hierarchy, you would press the rectangle box and then the pencil, and here you press on top node and edit the name. So I'm going to start from Abraham's father, which is Terah, and you can change the color using this paintbrush here. And after you select the color, you have to press the tick and then press this to load in the work. And then it might be a bit glitchy, but then all you have to do is reload the page. Later on, you can use the colors to sort family members and groups. Okay, so to add Terah's son, you would click on the person, click on the question mark, and then add child. And here you type the name of the person, so Abraham, and don't forget to change the color so it's not the same as the parents, and then save it again using this feature. Okay, one key thing I forgot to mention: if you click on a person and edit him, if you click on this painting thing here, you can choose an image and resize it, and when you press save here again, then that person will show as the picture. Okay, so now if you want to add a wife to a person, you click on them, and then you click on this icon here, and then basically you type their name in. So Abraham had multiple wives, but this is one of them and the first one that I'm going to add. And then of course you need to press save here. I will also add the other wives of Abraham. So these are the 2 wives that I added. So I added some more sons of Terah. So now I'm going to do a time lapse of how I do the tree. Okay, so now I'm going to make the rest of the table so I don't waste your time. Okay, so as you can see, I've completed the rest of the table now, and it's looking pretty good actually. And from the bubble section, it looks like this. And in the bubble, you can move it around and move the formation of people, and just play with it and change how it looks overall. This is another example of the table if you want to see it. And this is it in the bubbles form. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, if you go onto the page, you will have to reload it like this and expand all for you to be able to see the table when you enter it. What you can also do is go in the sidebar and then edit styles. And here you can change loads of things, including the background. And also the names of the people. Another cool feature you can do is if you click on the person and then edit him, on the second line here you can put whatever you want, like the date, when he was born, or anything basically. This is just like to show you, but if you just load it, it will say it under the person, so that's a very cool feature. Okay, one thing that I would want to point out is that if you click on a person and click on the edit feature, you can add more information here on the bottom, such as this, just to like show extra information about the person. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video on how to create family trees and how to like use this app really easily. I covered all the basics that you will need to create family trees easily, but if you start using this app, then you can learn how to do more complicated things really quickly, since it's really easy to operate around here. And see you in the next video.